Sativum. Family, Leguminosae garden pea or table pea, Pisum sativum var. Hortense, used mostly in vegetable. Generally white flowers. Field pea or grain pea, Pisum sativum var. Arvense, mature seeds used as dal, also grown as forage or green manuring crop, generally colored flowers. Garden pea flowers auxiliary, long peduncle, raceme with 1 to 2 flowers. Pods are variable length and breadth, curved, straight. Field pea flowers are purple or lavender colored, short peduncle, seeds smaller than garden pea, angular. Pea crop contains 22% protein, 60% carbohydrate and 1.8% fat. Origin, Mediterranean region of Europe and West Asia. Area, up greater than MP. Production, up greater than MP. Soil, all types of soil. Well-drained soil is more suitable since sensitive to salinity and alkalinity. Field preparation, on heavy soils rough seed bed is suitable, medium tillage is sufficient. Season, NW Plains, end of October. Nay Plains, second fortnight of November. Soil moisture availability decides the time delay in sowing and with terminal drought. Seed rate, 100 to 150 kg per hectare. Seed treatment, Captain Thyram 2.5 grams plus Rhizobium leguminosarum 10 grams per kilogram. Seed spacing, 30 x 5 to 7 cm. Irrigation, 1 to 2 irrigations. Critical stages. Flower initiation stage, 40-45 DOS. Pod filling stage, 70-80 DOS. Varieties. Field pea Rachana, Aparna, Ambika, T65, 163. Hans, KP 885, Pant C5. Garden pea Arkle, Bondali, Early Bodger, Early December, T19, 59. Pant Mater -1, 5, 6, 8. Ahad Mater -1, Pant Upar. Nutrient management, 20, 50 hours 30 minutes and 40 seconds kilogram NPKs per hectare at sowing time. Weed management, 2 hand weedings at 30 and 45 days after sowing. Harvesting, pea is harvested when stems and pods turn straw color or light brown and seeds are hard and rattle within pod. Yield, field pea, grain pea 15 to 20 quart per hectare, garden pea, table pea 80 to 100 quart per hectare.
This is the P. Pisum sativum crop production. Just for technically, I have mentioned with the technological help, but again I will repeat Pisum sativum family Leguminaceae garden pea or table pea. Pisum sativum variety orange used mainly in vegetable. Generally, Pisum sativum is white flowers. Field pea or grain pea. Pisum sativum variety arvensis. Matured seeds used as dal, also grown as forage or green manuring crop, generally colored flowers. Garden pea flowers are auxiliary, long peduncle, raceme with 1 to 2 flowers. Pods are variable length and breadth, curved or straight. Field pea flowers are purple and lavender color, short peduncle, seeds smaller than garden pea. Angular pea, angular field pea shape. Pea crop contains 22% protein, 60% carbohydrate, 1.8% fat. Origin Mediterranean region of Europe and West Asia of Hindu Kush Mountains area, Uttar Pradesh greater than Madhya Pradesh. Production Uttar Pradesh followed by Madhya Pradesh. Soil, all type of soil is it can be grown. Well drained soil is more suitable since sensitive to salinity and alkalinity. Field preparation on heavy soils, rough seed bed is suitable. Medium tillage is sufficient. Season Northwest Plains, end of October, Northeast Plains, second fortnight of November. Soil moisture availability decides the time of sowing. Delaying in sowing ends with the Delay sowing ends with the terminal drought. Seed rate 100 to 150 kgs per hectare. Seed treatment is Captain Thyrum 2.5 grams per seed. Rhizobium leguminous RM 10 kgs per kg seed. Spacing 30 into 5 to 7 centimeters. Variable distance. Irrigation 1 to 2 irrigations. Critical stage flower initiation stage 40 to 45 days after sowing. Pod filling stage 70 to 80 days after sowing. Varieties field P. Rajana Aparna Ambika T65 163 Hands KP 885 Pant C5. Garden P varieties Arkal Born Valley El Bajre Early December T1959 Pant Matter 1568 Azad Matter 1 Pant Upahar nutrient management 2050 30-40 kgs NPKs per hectare at time of sowing. Weed management 2 hand weedings at 32 and next hand weeding 45 days after sowing. Harvesting P is harvested when stems and pods turn straw color or light brown and seeds are hard and rattled within pod. Field P or grain P yield is 15 to 20 quintals per hectare. Garden P or table P yield is 80 to 100 quintals per hectare. Thanking you friends. Have a nice day. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.